BIMrx Core has two features that help improve communication between Revit and Excel. These features are extract and update. They allow us to take information from a schedule that has already been created or from a Revit selection and export that information into an Excel document. Select the Extract feature. We will start by selecting the Schedules tab in order to export a schedule that has already been created. Select the schedule you would like to export, and then select whether you would like to export type parameters, a feature that we will discuss later. Selecting the Export button will allow you to name the Excel file and save it to a specific location. Once complete, BIMrx Core will ask you if you would like to open the newly created Excel document. Here you will see the Export Summary, a Type Parameters tab if that option was selected, as well as a tab for the schedule that was selected. White columns indicate information or parameters that we can change within the Excel document. We cannot change the blue information, which are an element's type parameters, or their modeled parameters, such as cut length. In this schedule, we can update the parameters in white, and then save the file once it's complete. Back in Revit, select the Update feature in BIMrx Core, select the newly saved Excel spreadsheet, and all of the information updated in the Excel spreadsheet will be brought into the Revit schedule, creating a fantastic way to improve communication between Revit and Excel. We can also use the Extract feature by first creating a selection. In any view, select the elements you would like to export. You can further define this selection using filters, and once the selection is complete, select the Extract feature. This time, we will remain on the Selection tab within the Export settings. Next, choose how this information will be organized in the Excel document. For this example, we are only exporting structural framing, and all elements have the same category and family, so either output format is fine. To begin with, we will not use a parameter filter, so now that our settings are complete, we can hit the Export button. Name the new Excel document and select Save. A new Excel document has been created with only the selected structural elements exported. Since the Export Type Parameters option was selected, we also have the Type Parameters tab, and we have the structural framing tag containing the selected elements. Since we did not select a parameter filter, this extraction contains a lot of data. We can limit this data by selecting the Extraction feature, and this time we'll set up a parameter filter. Select Edit New Filter. Select the category we want to filter, the families we want to apply this filter to. Next, we can select the parameters that we would like to export to the Excel document. And once we are satisfied, we can hit Save As to use these settings for any future extractions. Once the settings are complete, select the Export button to create a new Excel document. This new Excel document will only include parameters chosen in the parameter filter, as well as metadata such as the type ID and element ID. If multiple categories and family types are selected, for this example, columns and structural framing, the Extract feature settings become more important. Our first option is to create one tab per category. You will see that the Extract feature now created one tab for structural columns, an additional tab for structural framing. Alternatively, we can organize our tabs by family. In this example, we have one tab for the round concrete columns and one tab for the steel wide flange beams. In the Export Summary, the tab number and the corresponding family will be identified. In this example, tab 1 belongs to the round concrete columns, and tab 2 belongs to the wide flange beams. While here, we'll also explore the Type Parameters tab. This tab was exported when the Export Type Parameters option was selected in the Export settings. Here we can change specific type parameters and then update those type parameters within Revit using this modified Excel spreadsheet. First, under the Parameter Name column, use the pull-down to select the parameter that you would like to update. In this example, we will update the type comments. Now the type comments for each of the family types is displayed. Scroll over to the value column in order to input a new type comment. Once this step is complete, select Save and exit the Excel document. Once again, we can select the Update feature in BIMrx Core, select the saved Excel document, and each family's type comment has been updated based on the values inputted into the Excel document. The extract and update features of BIMrx Core not only help us to improve the efficiency of updating instance parameters, but they can help us modify type parameters as well.